A lot of university graduates still struggle financially. This is to say that going to the university does not guarantee you'll be rich, but if you do the right things, you can actually graduate rich from the university and won't need to go through the hassle of finding a job. Welcome to Young Black Millionaire Africa. Today's video is short and simple. We are going to reveal how you can build wealth even as a university student. First, we want you to understand that wealth building is a gradual process and should not be rushed. The day you start doing something that will make you wealthy is the day you begin your wealth building journey. For example, if you start today to read books on finance with the intent of accumulating wealth, then today is the day you begin your wealth creation journey. So how can one graduate from the university rich? Firstly, invest in your personal development. The thing with young people these days is that they chase money instead of seeking new ways to improve themselves. Jim Rohn, a 20th century entrepreneur, author, and self-development speaker once said, "Money is usually attracted, not pursued." You don't chase money, you make yourself attractable to money. Most youngsters don't understand this, and it drives some of them to an early grave. We know you want to make it, we know you want to be successful, you want to get rich early, never have to worry about money again for the rest of your life, and start a happy family. All these are possible, and you will achieve them, but you have to take the necessary steps. When you develop yourself, you become a person of value and money begins to chase you. Work on yourself first. Invest in your personal growth. Read books, take courses, learn new foreign languages, learn new skills, attend networking events, learn time management, develop your public speaking skills, and most importantly, invest in your health. Health is wealth. You can barely achieve anything significant with failing health unless you're someone for whom the phrase, "never give up," does not exist in their dictionary. Pay attention to your health. Work out, eat right, get enough sleep, drink enough water, and avoid anything that can harm your health. Also, pay attention to your mental health. This is how you keep your body and your mind sound. Dear youngster, develop yourself first, and we can assure you that the money will come to you. You won't have to go through the stress of searching for it. If you are interested in learning affiliate marketing or crypto trading, we found 2 courses that will help you become an expert affiliate marketer or crypto trader in no distant time. These courses are tested and trusted. They are from reputable cryptocurrency traders and affiliate marketers, not from fake gurus who haven't seen any results. Click the link in the description below to check them out. Also, the founder of Young Black Millionaire Africa just released a book titled Young Black Millionaire. This book will reveal so many financial and business secrets to you and help you level up in life, and the best part is, he's giving out the ebook version for completely free. The link is also in the description below. Don't miss this wonderful opportunity. Build strong relationships with fellow students who have big dreams and potential. While the founder of this wonderful platform was still in secondary school, his teacher told his classmates to associate themselves with him if they wanted to go far in life. This indirectly translates to, people can spot greatness even when it's still in its early stages. They can discern who will achieve something significant in life from those who might not really do something of great importance. Don't get us wrong. This theory isn't always correct because people can change their lives, and those you expected to be a nuisance to society can end up being its pillars, but you can tell a lot about people just from conversing with them. We want you, our viewers, to do something for us and for yourself. Go out there and make new friends, talk to them, establish a connection with them, ask them about their goals and dreams, inquire about steps they are taking to achieve these goals, and if they sound like people with potentials for greatness, keep them and build a strong relationship with them. Offer help to them whenever you can. This will create a lasting bond. Launch your brand or business while you're still in the university. Don't believe anyone who tells you that you are too young to start a business. You're not too young. Me and the Bees Lemonade founder and CEO, Michaela Ulmer, a Black American girl, got a $60,000 investment deal from the entrepreneur, Damon John, at the age of 9. She wasn't even a teenager then. Children have gone on to achieve great feats because they started early. If you begin a journey on time, you have a higher chance of getting to your destination on time. Mind you, starting early doesn't mean you shouldn't be patient. Start early, work faster, but most importantly, be patient. Life is a game, and as long as you are learning, you are not losing. Launch your brand, business, app, or website, or even create your product while you're still in the university. Don't be scared of starting or failing. Failure is part of the learning process. You might be wondering, where will a university student get the time to do all of these? Well, we love you, so we already found the answer to that question even before you asked. The simple answer is to create a timetable. Timetables are underrated. They can help you achieve so many things while avoiding burnout. Create a timetable and include things like time to study your school books, time to read personal development books, time to take a course, time to work on your business or product, and finally, time to take a rest. Rest is part of being productive. Research the Pomodoro technique if you want to find out how. The founder of Young Black Millionaire Africa once said, "School is fine, but I think it should be modified a bit, and things like technical, digital, and financial management skills should be incorporated into the curriculum." The problem with Western education is that it doesn't really change. If you compare a classroom of 100 years ago with a modern-day classroom, you'll notice that there isn't much difference. We are raising money slaves and not money masters. The system is designed to keep you poor, but not to worry. Young Black Millionaire Africa is here for you. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Also, like this video and share it with fellow students. We'll see you next time. Remain exceptional.